New data is putting some medical experts on high alert.
In 2022 alone, close to 20,000 people were living with HIV or AIDS in Arizona. The Arizona Department of Health Services released its annual HIV surveillance report, and medical experts are now getting a better look at the situation at hand.
13 News reporter Alex Valdez joins us live in studio. And Alex, what did you learn?
Well, medical experts say tackling the stigma the disease carries is only part of the problem. Many in the community are still unaware of the preventative care and medication available. Dr. Sheila Soto, an assistant research professor at the University of Arizona, tells me even if a person does test positive for HIV, if they are taking the proper steps, they could reach undetectable status, meaning they can't pass on the disease. A 20% increase of new HIV cases was reported in Arizona just last year.
In general, Arizona has been seeing higher cases of HIV and STI.
In 2022, Arizona saw 975 new HIV cases, with 141 new cases reported in Pima County. Dr. Soto says it's important to know your HIV status.
We use two different forms of testing. We use a 20-minute testing and then the INSTI, which is a 2-minute testing. But all it is, again, is that little prick on your finger. We fill up a little bit of blood for the sample that we need.
Dr. Soto adds HIV doesn't just impact the LGBTQ plus community, but anyone who is sexually active.
We never know who it is that we might be interacting with, so it's a good idea to get tested at least once a year.
Dr. Soto says that even though there is no cure for HIV, there is treatment available. She says people who take medication can live just as long with someone without HIV.
We understand that there's a lot of taboo about HIV, and so we do our best to talk about those issues as well.
According to experts, with new HIV cases seeing an increase, the access to much-needed services has also expanded. 80% of people who were diagnosed with HIV were able to get access to doctors and medication. We'll, of course, have these resources and more information for medical providers and location to testing on our website, KOLD.com. Reporting live in studio, Alex Valdez, back to you.
Alex, thank you.